Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you opened this video today because today I'm gonna show you all these amazing clothes, and I personally love each and every item but one from this purchase. And I'm going to show you today items from Bershka, from Mango, and of course from ZARA, because what is the haul without ZARA items? So enough of talking, let's start. So I suggest we start from Mango because it's my personal favorite mass market brand, and I have a lot of Mango hauls, and this video we also will have items from Mango. The first item I want to show you is this skirt. Probably you already saw this skirt in my video about preppy style, and honestly first I bought it just for that video and I thought like we will use it and later I will submit it, but now I'm really considering to keep this skirt because it's so nice, amazing pattern, very good quality, and it's so warm, you know. I mean, you know, it's warm enough for winter and not too warm for summer. I don't know if it makes any sense to you, but it's very nice skirt, a perfect length. And you know, this skirt, it's one of the items which doesn't make you look shorter or fatter or weirder, you know. Very nice design, very successful pattern. So if you are searching for a good autumn winter skirt, look at this one. It's a perfect catch. The next item is also from Mango, and it's this dress. And I honestly don't own lots of dresses because, you know, dresses are a bit too simple and complicated at the same time. Let me explain myself. When you have a shirt or jeans, you can style it in a million different ways, right? But dress is an outfit itself, so you don't have really lots of ways and choices of styling it. I tried this dress from Mango, and actually material is very nice. It's very stretchy material and quite nice pattern. Normally I prefer monocolor, like without much textures, but this texture I think is very nice, not very disturbing. It's green with beige flowers, I guess. And yeah, it's very complementary to body because it hides a stomach if you have. It has very beautiful décolleté and looks quite nice. And I think it's very perfect for autumn, for spring, and maybe early summer. So yeah. The next Mango item gonna be this bag. I am so much in love with this purse because it can fit so much, and the color is like a eggshell color, you know, and yeah, it looks a bit vintage, you know. It looks like it can be a purse from 90s, but no, it's one of the latest Mango purses, and it's available only online. And yeah, material is very nice. Inside is just one pocket bag and can fit quite a lot. Isn't it perfect when you have a small purse which can fit the world inside? The next Mango item gonna be this trench coat, and it has this nice material, nice color, white trench coat. It's not leather, it's not usual trench coat material. I don't know how to explain it. You really need to feel it, you know, to touch it to understand. And it look very like chic, you know, you look very expensive in this item. But the only problem that it leaves scratches and stains. I wore it twice and it already full of black scratches. And the good thing is that it's quite easy to remove them. But the bad thing is that we have them in first place. I mean, it will never happen if you wear black or brown. And I don't know if it's because of the color or material, but I think the material is the main problem. But as a look, 10 out of 10. As a quality, not bad, but material, quite tricky. Okay, so these were all items from Mango. I suggest next we move to ZARA. And the first item I want to show you is this amazing, unbelievably beautiful blazer dress. And I wore this dress in my preppy style video, so you can check it out and you will see it. And yeah, you know, Zara has quite good choices of blazer dresses. And you know, this item is quite flexible, more flexible than other dresses, because you can wear it open as a long blazer and close as dress. You can style it with belt or without belt. And this item has very good quality and very interesting ways they made it. Like we have this line here which makes back look more curvy and not just like straight as usual blazers. So they thought it through. I would personally recommend you, if you are seeking for a blazer dress, take attention to Zara and especially to these items. And again, check a link in bio. The next Zara item is one of the items which are very trendy right now. It's this tweed blazer. And when in the beginning of video I told you that one item I'm not very sure about, it was this. On their website, this blazer, if we can call it so, look very nice, but in real life, I mean, when you wear it, you will see on B shots, there is no shape, you know. It look like a sweater or pullover, which is not acceptable for blazer, doesn't keep the shape. Other than that, it's not bad. I mean, for tweed, of course, it's too soft. But I must say the item is very beautiful. It's beautiful white color and this beautiful shiny elements. If you like something like that, not bad. And I think this item can live long. I mean, it's not that poor quality. It's double layers and inside also very good, very well done. So yeah guys, it's totally up to you, but if you're seeking for a proper tweed blazer, it's not this one probably. Let's now move to Bershka. From Bershka, I have this very beautiful trench coat, and yeah, this time Bershka surprised me so much because I don't know, it's not really their style, I think, because Bershka is more for young teenagers and this item is quite mature and quite trendy. Everything is like really nicely done, but of course I have a complaint. It smells awful. Like, I bought it around 3 weeks ago, until now it has this awful smell. So yeah, consider it, maybe if you buy it, just put it outside for a week on the air and let smell go away, but I don't know if it will work. Anyway, as a shape, as a model, it's very nice and very good fit. This size is extra small. If you like Bershka and if you're seeking something similar, here it is. The next two items from Bershka are two white shoes. Let's start from this shoe. Do you remember Bratz dolls? So it's something what they would wear, and actually very trendy right now. The shape and the heel is very stable, good looking, but again the material is not good. You already can see scratches here. The thing is that I'm planning to return both shoes, which I will show you, because they are not exactly my size, and I am not sure will I buy them again, because for example these boots are amazing, but I mean without wearing them they have scratches. What will happen after I start wearing them? So I don't know guys, it's of course up to you to purchase it or not. For look and shape wise and also comfort wise, go for it, but material, I don't know. And the last but not least are these beautiful boots. About them I don't have any complaints. They're very good looking, again like eggshell color boots, and if you're searching for white boots I would recommend to stick to this color, not very white, if you know what I mean, because these are more friendly, I think, color wise, and it will fit more and wouldn't be that, like, you know, eye-catchy unless it's your aim, right? Anyway guys, thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. These were all items I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed this few minutes with me. I wish you to have a good shopping and see you on my next videos. Bye bye.